Capricorn, welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me, and this is your love guidance. This is going to be for the last 2 weeks in November. If you like or resonate with this, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're interested in getting personal guidance with me, check out my shop. The shop is in the beginning of this video. That is the website where you can find the shop. Also, you can click on the title of this video and hit the more button and scroll down, and you will find the link there as well for the shop. So check that out if you want to. If you're interested in getting a personal, the shop is open and everything right now is half off. Okay, so if you just want to try it, the prices are really good right now. That way you guys can try it out and see if it's for you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about what's going on here for the last 2 weeks in the month. All right, so Capricorn, what's up with you? Some of you could be on your own right now. Could be living alone, lonely, or you're thinking a lot about moving alone or removing yourself from a relationship or a household situation. Or just really, maybe this is just your current state. Like I said, some of you could be single and just on your own here. Okay, since my guidance, it does target those of you who are single in love situationships, or you have a crush on someone. You could be going over all the details right now within a connection that you have with someone. You could be analyzing yourself more than you're analyzing them. You could be looking at your own actions or your own contributions for the things that's taken place over the entire connection, over the time, over time. So you could be just kind of like coming up with a lot of solutions for yourself, like what can you do differently and what you are going to do differently that is actually going to work for you. So you're really thinking about things that you've allowed, things that you didn't speak up about, things that you have said, things that you could have just kept to yourself. Like it's just a lot of different things that you could be going over when it comes to the connection with you and them. What is going to bring a balanced love? That could be what you're thinking about. But I do feel like, honestly, when it comes to you as an individual, you're the more balanced partner in the connection, is what I'm picking up. You're the more balanced person between you and them. Okay? Something about this connection is cathartic for you. Like, it's like you find relief through something you're doing in the last 2 weeks. Like you're able to release your emotions in some kind of way that is going to really help you cope with everything right now with you and this person emotionally. Is something you're going to be doing, releasing something. Some of you may be working out a lot. You may be releasing a whole lot of that good old dopamine by just working out, and that could be helping you to get over someone or helping you to deal with whatever you're going through with this person. Some of you could be I don't know, kickboxing, boxing, or something like that to help you let off some steam. But it's like something you're going to be doing which helps you to just, cope with your emotions or release your emotions about this person right now. Okay? Because you feel like it's time for you to make the best use of what's in your power and take the rest as it comes to you, right? You realize your power in this connection now, Capricorn. You realize how powerful you really are, both physically, emotionally, spiritually. You realize that you play a big part in this connection, where it's almost like You and this person are equal. You know, you're not the most submissive woman to this person, and you're not a doormat to this person. You can see this person eye to eye, and you meet them where they are. And I think you're realizing that with this power that you hold with this person, you're gonna choose to use your power in a good way instead of using it in a bad way. And whatever happens with you being in this power is really all on them at this point. I think you guys understand that you're not gonna lash out on them and get like really, really upset about things right now. And you're not going to be petty about anything. You're just going to stand your ground, and that's that. You're not going to go back and forth with them about anything. You're standing in a very, very wise and strong leader type of energy within a love connection. An energy where your person probably looks up to this and admires this about you, because your foot is down, you're firm, and it's just really you saying, I am your equal. And that's that. You know, no harm done. Your person here could be crying about this, though. This is someone who could be deeply sad or deeply emotional about this. This person can be wishy-washy right now. They could be wondering, why can't everything be so clear to you so that you understand what they see or how they see things within this connection? For some reason, this person feels like you standing in your power or standing up for yourself is you not understanding them. That's the way they're taking it for some reason. So this person could be opening up more to you emotionally and being super, super vulnerable when it comes to you. And they're in this mindset where they're tired of playing games with you. For some reason, you trigger something in them, which definitely sounds like a toxic past, where you're standing in your power translates to them like you're playing games. So this person feels like they need to know what you really, really want before they stop trying, before they give up. The nerve, right? The nerve. It does seem like a person who has had so much toxicity in their life in the past that they do not understand what you are doing now. What you are doing now is not walking away from them. You're not saying you don't want to be with them. You're not saying you hate them. You're not saying you don't love them. You're not saying you don't want a future with them. You are just asserting your power. You are just reminding this person that you are not the one. Don't mistreat me. Don't misuse me. Don't misguide me. If I want a strong person, then I that's all I want is a strong partner. I need an equal partner, someone who understands. But they're translating this all the wrong way. Now, they feel like you're their sanctuary. Like they can retreat to you at any time and totally be themselves when they're with you or when they're around you or when they talk to you. There is a stillness and a sanctuary that is inside of you. Your body is like a temple to this person. And it's because they need your energy. This person really does need to be around you. They need to feed off of you. They need to be nurtured by you, be loved by you. They need to listen to you. They need to know you're there. So when you're in your power, you're not giving them that sanctuary feeling. When you're in your power, you could seem a bit rough around the edges. That's not really what they want from you. They want this like angelic, sensual type of energy from you. A place, a soft pillow to fall on, right? They need you to be cloud 9. They need you to be that cloud in their storm of mess and confusion. And I think that you have tried to be. I think that you want to be. I can tell that there is something about you that, like, you care enough about this person to where you're not trying to go off on the deep end. You're not. But you will stand your ground. So you may see that this person really needs to be more fair with you, because they're not being fair with you. They just see things one-sided, only seeing things their way. And I think you know that in order for you guys to resolve this conflict, this person needs to... Your person needs like some type of nature walk, like just to think about things. They need to take a breath of fresh air and think about things. They need to align with their highest good right now. They need to go with the flow more. They need to understand what you're doing. What you're doing right now is trying to instill in them some calm, exactly, this is what you're doing. Exactly what they want from you, you are giving it to them. It's just not in the way they wanted you to. So if they wanted you to be their peace or something like that, yeah, you're being their peace. You're being their peace, but you're doing this in a way where you're just really not moving because they say move. So they have no choice but to be at peace, because you're distant now. You're distant now. And that's just what it is. And it could also be that, like, if this person feels like they want your calm, healing energy, your angelic vibe, Capricorn, then yeah, you're given that. You're given that because you're not saying much. You're giving them what they want, but you're not doing it in the way that they want you to do it. And I think that that's what's going on here. Because I feel like you guys are really working on healing your heart. Like, this person has done things or said things to you in the past that you don't agree with. And I feel like right now you're trying to let them into your heart, and you're trying to communicate something to them right now that they should pay attention to, but you're just doing it in a different kind of way. Instead of you being all soft about it and mushy, you're just being firm about it, but you mean the same thing. Your delivery is different, but the message is still the same. You're pretty balanced, okay? And I think that you want this person to bring justice, to fix the situation, make it right? Think clearly about what's going on. You want to see growth with this person. You want the connection to keep moving forward. You want more. But so this person needs to just work on this connection with you. Also, this person needs to listen below the surface. On a surface level, there's a lot of things being said right now between you two. A lot of things being felt. But this person needs to really take the time to look at what's beneath the surface. What is it that the Capricorn is not saying? And that's what this person should, pay attention to, because beneath the surface, you could be saying, I love you so much, I just want to be your sanctuary. Will you let me? I love you so much and I need you so much. Oh my God, like you're my person. I want to be with you forever. You're my lifetime partner. But are you seeing what I'm going through just to be this person for you? Are you noticing the sacrifices I'm making to do this? Are you realizing what I'm going through in the midst of trying to love you? So these could be your silent whispers, things that you're not saying. This person sees you with enlightened eyes. You are so woke. Some of you could be so woke that you're scaring this person, okay? You know too much. You know too much. You know too much. You know a lot of things. A lot of things. You're definitely coming across as a wise person right now. They feel like whatever you're trying to find out about them, you're going to find it out. You're going to find it out. You're going to figure everything out on your own. You're going to find out things on your own. You know a lot of things that they're hiding from you. You know a lot of things that's below the surface. You know a lot of things that they want to say that they're not saying. You know a lot of things about what they're doing that they never told you. you know a lot. You know a lot. So this person's like, wow, your mind is so wise. Your intuition is so strong. You are very smart. Very. But they also want you to be smart about this connection too. As like, even though you know a lot of things about what's going on with them, but they want you to act like you know that they love you and that they're loyal to you and that they don't want to go anywhere. They don't want to lose you. They want you to know that too. So they want you to, that's why I think this person really is leaning on your love right now. They really, really want you to show them love. It's like, basically, you're an earth sign and they want you to be a water sign. They want you to tap into those emotions and be all soft and mushy, like a damsel in distress. They want you to be more submissive. They want you to be more like, like, what am I going to do without you? I can't live without you. Take me back, or love me and don't let me go, and no, I'm not leaving. And, I don't know. But you're not like that. You're a Capricorn. You're just like, either you love me or you love me not. I'm going to be me. Take it or love it. Take it or leave it. So, yeah, that's what I'm getting. All right. God bless.